Oh yeah.
You know, there was, oh, maybe you put them in. I was going to say there was 4 of the pieces in there from something else, but maybe that was from the box.
Oh yeah, it's on the box.
Okay.
Stole those.
From Home Depot.
Home Depot. That's that for me. Coupons.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Make it smell better? I'll beep that out.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a hole.